There's a few acronyms that you're going to want to know, and you're going to hear these a lot and you're not going to understand what they mean, so just want to let you know about the ones you're going to hear for our program. You'll hear SMSP, that is short for the State Media Services Program. We've already talked to you a lot about the services we provide. That's all about media, planning, buying, tracking, evaluating, creative development, and the MOS Jobs Program. The other thing you're going to hear is RMST, which is short for the Regional Marketing Support Team, and that's the team that helps you with market research and analytics. We do training for you, and we also help you with all things marketing and advertising. The last one you're going to hear is RMR. That's the Regional Marketing Representative assigned to your RAC that's going to help you with all of the services that we can provide.